The Governor of Texas is the head of state, head of government and chief executive of Texas. The governor directs the legislative branch and the executive branch of the state government and is the commander-in-chief of the Texas military forces. The governor has the power to either approve or veto bills passed by the Texas legislature, and to convene the legislature. The governor may grant pardons in cases other than impeachment or in the case of treason, with permission by the legislature. The current governor is Greg Abbott, who took office in 2015. Anyone seeking to become governor of Texas must meet the following qualifications. The state's first constitution in 1845 established the office of governor to serve for 2 years, but no more than 4 years out of every 6. The 1861 secessionist constitution set the term start date at the first Monday in the November following the election. The 1866 Constitution, adopted just after the American Civil War, increased terms to 4 years, but no more than 8 years out of every 12, and moved the start date to the first Thursday after the organization of the legislature, or as soon thereafter as practicable. The Reconstruction-era Constitution of 1869 removed the limit on terms. Texas remains one of 14 states with no gubernatorial term limits. The present Constitution of 1876 shortened terms back to 2 years, but a 1972 amendment increased it again to 4 years. The gubernatorial election is held every 4 years on the first Tuesday after the first Monday in November and does not coincide with the presidential elections. The governor is sworn in on the third Tuesday of January every 4 years along with the lieutenant governor. So Abbott and current Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick both took office on January 20, 2015. Despite the lack of term limits, no Texas governor in the 19th or 20th centuries ever served more than 7.5 consecutive years in office. In case of a vacancy in the office of governor, the lieutenant governor becomes governor. This rule was added only in a 1999 amendment, prior to which the lieutenant governor only acted as governor, except during the time of the 1861 Constitution, which said that the lieutenant governor would be styled governor of the state of Texas in case of vacancy.